Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're actually brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So I picked these up from Shoe Palace. So let's crack this open right here. This shoe has gone on sale from multiple sites from what I've seen. So they've gone on under retail for a couple sites already. So if you actually wanted them, you could have probably gotten them easily. So as you can see, it is a Jordan 1 box, and as I mentioned, it is coming from Shoe Palace right there, from Shoe Palace. So again, Nike box right here. You got the Jordan box, Jordan 1 box, size 10, and color. It is Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is Golden Harvest. Golden Harvest. Suggested retail is $160, but as I mentioned, if they are still around, a lot of sites are actually discounting this shoe. So let's crack this open right here. You got the regular paper, white paper right here, and here they are. These are, I guess, the wheat ones, but actually they call it Golden Harvest. So here it is. So you can see you have that Golden Harvest upper, a wheat colorway. Got the Jordan 1 bottom. And you got the Nike Air up top. Again, you got, it's in that, I guess it's suede material. And then you got the swoosh over here. You got the Air Jordan wings. But overall to me it's a nice shoe. And then you got, again, Nike Air inside. Clean shoe, and as I mentioned, again, under retail. So here's the other one. Again, you got the extra laces right here. There's more of a flat lace. There's more of a rounded, So you have two different options on there. But decent suede on here. As you can see, the color changes on it. So again, just quick look at the Harvest, Golden Harvest, the wheat ones right here. All right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube, peace out.